Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I am showing you my favorite cleaning supplies. I also want to apologize for the lighting. It is terrible today. We have had cloudy skies for several days now, and I've been putting off filming, but I need to get a video up, so I just went ahead and said let's do it. So here are my favorite cleaning supplies, and I just have them down here, so I'll grab them as I go. Okay, so these I used to, well, I can't say I wasn't a fan. I just never used them. I was just kind of like, waste of money, I guess. But I ended up seeing a lot of other YouTubers using these, and I remember when they came out, but like I said, I was just like, I'm not gonna waste my money on that cleaning supply. So, but anyways, I decided to try, like I said, I saw a lot of other YouTubers using it. So it's just basically the scent boosters that you can get, and this one actually that I'm trying is by Downy, and it is the romantic scent. So romantic scent is white tea and peony flower. So you just sprinkle these in your washer before you wash your clothes, and they boost the scent in your washer. And these actually do smell really good, and I'm going to show you what they look like. But anyways, these actually smell really good, and I do recommend the Downy Romantic. Number 2 on my list, moving to floors, I use the Bona spray. And this I just spray as I mop it, but my Bona mop, I guess, is a little bit outdated. Now they have them like the Swiffer Jet mops, where you can buy the refills and stick them actually in the mop. So I haven't upgraded to one of those yet, but I still do use my Bona, and it's for stone tile and laminate floor, and it dries fast with no residue. So, but anyways, this is what I use for all of my tile and all of my laminate flooring. My other favorite products is the Method Anti-Bac. It's the all-purpose cleaner, and this one's in Citron. And I finally found a Method product that has antibacterial in it. The other ones that I had been buying were just kind of like the Miss Myers spray, where it does get the grease up and the dirt up, but it's not really an antibacterial. So this one is an antibacterial, and it also cuts grease and grime. But I am liking this one, and it also comes in other scents. This is just the scent that I found at the store. This is like one of my favorites. Oh my goodness, this one smells really good. It's Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. So not only can you use it on glass, you can use it other places. I've used it on the counters before, but I was buying just like a glass cleaner, and actually the one that we had, I don't know if it was name brand or like the generic brand, but it was leaking from the container. Like the spray bottle was horrible. It kept leaking. So finally I threw it away. I just threw it away because I didn't want to deal with it anymore. And so I saw this one and I said, why not? I'm going to try it, because as you know by now, like all YouTubers use tons of Method products and tons of Miss Myers products. So I wanted to try all the Method products, and so I found the glass and surface cleaner, and so I actually really love this stuff, and I actually use this more than the other stuff that like just regular glass cleaner, because it smells good. This one's in the scent mint, and I think all of them are mint if it's glass cleaner. I'm not sure. I'm new to using Method, but I really like that, and you can use it on other things. Okay, so I dropped this a while ago. That's why it's so bubbly at the top. But this is the Method, also Method, my third Method product that's on my favorite cleaning list, but it's the Daily Wood Cleaner, and it is in the scent Almond, and it cleans grease and grime too. I think all of them does, but this smells amazing. I love this. I think I showed y'all this in my bathroom clean with me, and I used it for cabinets, and I love using this on my wood furniture too. I was cleaning my wood furniture with just like a damp cloth. I like it, and the scent almond is really good. It smells like almond extract. I mean, probably because it has almond extract in it. Let's see. I was reading the Spanish side. Anyways, it smells like almond, and it is my favorite wood cleaner. One other one that I like really well is, it's by Clorox, and it's some kind of surface cleaner, and it is the scent jasmine, like lavender and jasmine, I think, but I can't find it anywhere. I found it one time during when we were quarantined, like when everything was really quarantined. I found it one time, and that's because, and the reason I bought it was because there was nothing else to buy, and I ended up buying it and loving it, and I haven't been able to find it since. So, but that's another good one that I like. I like the scent. But I did pick a Miss Myers cleaning product, and this is actually peony scent, and it is a limited edition scent, so I don't know if they still have this one out because I bought it in the spring, but this is a room freshener. So I like to spray this just in my rooms or where the trash can is, and also like above your bed in that area. So it is just a really good room freshener. I hope you all enjoyed seeing some of my favorite cleaning supplies, and if you are new to my channel and you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach my first 100 subscribers. I'm only like a third of the way there, so please, 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 it does not cost you anything to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to be notified of when I put new videos out, hit the bell button and you'll be notified on your phone, on your YouTube app, of when I have new videos out. I try to post twice a week. I'm getting back in that schedule, so I hope you enjoy my videos and you will be a new subscriber, and I will see you in my next one.